Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a box of 1314 Panini Prime. It is break number 188, and there, as you can see, I always show the Winnipeg Jets last. I guess during the auctions, that's what they are, but during the buy it nows, not so much. Anyway, this one ended today at 2038. And we'll go to the eBay time, refresh it, and we've got 1820 Pacific, 2120 excuse me, Eastern, and 2220 Nova Scotia time. So here's our list of winners and their respective teams. I want to thank everybody for hanging in there and buying the teams up, whether it was to buy it now or when I had to put them back up for auction. So as you can see, the only team that didn't sell was Ottawa. And yeah, there you go. I didn't change, jeez, I didn't change this, but it's, let me just fix it up here. Sorry about that, 188. I thought I'd change that, but I didn't. So anyway, it's break 188, and I don't know, I got the serial number here. Sorry about that. Let's get this up here and see the serial number, ending in 1701. So, yeah, my bad. It's alright. It's this buy it now stuff is all new to me, and it kind of had me a little bit flustered there for a while. So I thought that I'd change them both. I did change the Dominion one that we've done. So anyway. Here nor there, sealed box, and there it is. Okay. So we'll start them off with the Avs Cowboy. And we've got Corey Perry for the Ducks, and that is the Ducks, Corey Perry. And that is number 279 out of 299. And then we've got for the LA Kings and Hockeytown Champs, we've got out of 299, 72 by the look of it. 72 out of 299, Luc Robitaille for the Kings. And for Tiles by Gilles Chris, we got Michael Bournival, 177 out of 199. And that's a nice 4 jersey auto for the Montreal Canadiens. Then, looky here for the Blue Jackets, Turbo Plumber, 65. We got Prime Signatures, Thomas Kebaltic. Mashed that one up, didn't I? There you go, and it's numbered 37 out of 99. Geez, you're working very good for me. 37 out of 99, Thomas Kubalk. And we've got a mammoth jersey, or whatever they call it in the primetime rookies for the LA Kings again and Hockeytown Champs. Martin Jones. It's a nice black based 14 out of 50. There you go. Oh, that's nice. Who's got that? Hotel Deal, or Hotel. Why do I always want to call you Hotel? It's Hot Deals cards. Oh, no, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Hockey Town Champs, sorry. Matt Stajan for the Calgary Flames. My bad, sorry about that, Hot Deals. And this is numbered 6 out of 6. Genuine letters. I never looked at the name, I just looked at the color. Very nice. Congratulations. Hockey Town Champs. It's got a little bit of a warp to it there. Somewhat. Okay. Then we've got our first random. We got STNG. So you got Nail Yakovov and Steven Stamkos, and that is 36 out of 200. So that'll go between Tiles by Gilles, Chris, and J-Rod, 56.99, Jedrod. So we'll do that in just half a minute here. And AB 58.85, we got Matt Dumba for the Minnesota Wild. Another Prime Signatures. And that is numbered 40 out of 99 from Minnesota. So congratulations everybody. And let's real quickly do that. So the way that we do this, I think most of you know this, is I put the teams in 3 times, and then I random it 4 times. Team on top at the end of 4 is the winner. Okay, so we're all set up. Here once again is the card that we're going for. And the random Oilers Lightning, Oilers Lightning, Oilers Lightning. So let's go. Here we go. First shot puts the Lightning on top. Number 2 puts the Oilers on top. Number 3 puts the Lightning on top. And the winner of that nice card is the Lightning. So that will go out to Jedrod, 56.99. And that is a random. Alrighty, there you go. Thank you very much. Next Friday night, or right now actually, I've got up an 8-box case of this Prime. So it's a buy it now, so you can get there and get your teams while they're still there. Any teams that aren't sold on Friday night will be relisted for 1 day at the auction. You know, and then it will end for 1 day. And the break will be on Saturday night. So it's a real good product. Hopefully I'll see you all there, and good night, have a good weekend, and happy holidays. Good night.